Today in this video, I will share coffee face pack. How coffee can benefit your skin. Anti-aging benefits: vitamin B3 for skin cancer, reduced inflammation, acne treatment, dark circles, after sun care. Aloe Coffee Sleeping Face Mask. 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Mix it well, and your sleeping mask is ready. Benefits: antioxidant-rich, tones and soothes the skin, hydrates the skin, enhances skin firmness, prevents fine lines. Spread a thin layer of the mixture on your face before bed, then rinse off thoroughly in the morning.